City Consulting Group is proud to present our newest listing. 11703 Giles Way is a 3-bedroom home located at the end of a quiet cul-de-sac in North Mira Mesa. Brimming with warmth and charm, this move-in ready home has undergone a full-scale renovation with many upgrades including new flooring, new windows, and a freshly painted interior. The light and airy kitchen has refinished cabinets, new stainless steel appliances, and granite countertops, as well as an open dining area. Spacious living area is connected to a 200-square-foot sunroom, an addition that is perfect for entertaining as it leads to a large fenced backyard that features a covered deck, lawn, and a paved footpath that weaves around the house. The bedrooms have new carpet while the pristine bathrooms offer luxurious appointments including white subway tile showers, new fixtures, and Carrara marble countertops. Additional features include curved archways, a fireplace, laundry room, and 2-car garage. For more information or to schedule a viewing, call us at 619-259-5558 or email info@isellthecity.com. And like us on Facebook and be the first to hear about new listings in your area. Facebook.com/isellthecity.